Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very difficult question which was asked in one of the toughest exam of India, which is known as CAT. Okay. So here the question is, how many factors of 1080 are perfect square? Now in this kind of scenario, how do you begin? Okay, the first step is very simple. Okay, now please understand that before going ahead, I want you all to like this video and also share this video with everyone who is preparing for entrances, because in this video I'm going to show you a method with which you can solve these kind of questions orally. You don't need any pen and paper, you can do it in your head. Okay, so now let's quickly understand how do you begin with these kind of questions. First thing what you should do is we'll try to write 1080 in terms of its prime factors. Now please understand, people actually go and do this method. Yes, you can do that, it's not wrong. But if you're preparing for an entrance exam, then this is very much time consuming. Then in that case, what you should do is, see, I can write 1080 as nothing but what? You try to write it in the easiest form. Okay, I can write this as nothing but what? 108 into 10, which 10 can be written as what? 2 into 5, and 108 can be written as what? 9 into 12. So this is 2 into 5 into 3 square into 12 can be written as 3 into 4. So 3 into 2 square. 4 is 2 square, right? So from here, very easily I could figure out that the prime factors are what? 1, 2 and then 2 square. So how much? 2 cube. Here 3 square and 3, that is 3 cube. Okay, and then we have just single 5. Okay, this is very important for everyone to remember. This method of finding prime factors is going to be super helpful for anyone who is preparing for any kind of entrances. Now here, please understand, see, this is basically what? 2 raised to a into 2 raised to b, sorry, 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c. Now, see, understand what values of a will get you a perfect square. So, see, if I write 2 raised to 0, I get the answer as 1, which is a perfect square. Then 2 raised to 1 doesn't get me a perfect square, but 2 raised to 2 gets me a perfect square, right? That gets you a 4, so that's a perfect square. Now 2 raised to 3 also does not get me a perfect square, and I don't need to exceed this value of index for 2. So I don't need to check for 2 raised to 4, because the highest index for 2 is just 3. So 2 raised to 4 is not mattering for me as of now. Similarly, for b value, again 3 raised to 0 will get you 1, right? That is a perfect square. 3 raised to 2 will get you 9, so that is also a perfect square. But 3 raised to 1 is not fine, right? 3 raised to 3 is also not okay, because that is getting you 27. That is not a perfect square. So again, now I don't need to worry about 3 raised to 4, because here the highest index is of 3 raised to 3. Okay. Similarly, value of C. Now 5 raised to 1 only we have. So max I can check for is 5 raised to 0. Right, that's it. 5 raised to 1, I know that's not a perfect square. Now in order to find out your total number of perfect squares for the factor of 1080, all you have to do is you just need to count the number of values for a, that is what? 2. The number of values for b is again 2. The number of value for c is what? 1. So now I can say, therefore, the total number of factors are nothing but what? 2 into 2 into 1. That gets you the answer as 4. So I can say option A is our answer. Now for your DIY, tell me how many factors of 84 are perfect squares. Please tell me your answers in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.